This is a book that introduces you to a new understanding of chat. Chat can be your life, your assistant, your friend, your think tank, and your tool. Whatever you perceive chat to be, it can become just that for you. This book teaches children how to use chat correctly, and it is also a worthy read for all parents. It will fundamentally change your understanding of learning and your views on the application of productivity tools. Children, this book tells you, you will not be replaced by AI, but you will be replaced by those who are good at using AI. We are facing a once-in-a-millennium technical dividend. AI products are low cost and do not differentiate between rich and poor, and they empower everyone who likes to use them without bias. This is the best opportunity for everyone to change their destiny and achieve social mobility. This book will guide children to understand the power of AI technology and teach them how to correctly utilize powerful tools, such as chat, in their learning practices. By doing so, it will improve the children's learning efficiency, stimulate their curiosity and motivation for learning, and expand their learning horizons. The book will also assist parents in understanding the value of AI products and how to integrate these innovative productivity tools into their child guidance process. At the same time, this book will remind parents that they are the important guides and supervisors for their children. You need to understand the usage of chat to ensure the safety of your children during their use. This captivating science popularization book about artificial intelligence applications provides children and parents with a brand new understanding of AI learning applications. It is a future-oriented learning guide, helping children to establish competitive advantages for the future in advance.